Alright guys, in order to create a verified PayPal account in Nigeria, you need to stick with me in this video in order for me to show you a step-by-step process on how to create a verified PayPal account in Nigeria. Okay, I have come to understand that most people are making complaint of how to link up their debit card to their PayPal account. Stick with me to the end of this video in order to see the step-by-step ways on how to create and link up your PayPal account in Nigeria. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using the Nigerian domain in order for me to create account, but never to worry, I'm not using this domain. Okay, as you can see, it is only a personal account that can be created in Nigeria, but you can go over to the search bar and change the place that is saying NG to AE. All right, so you're going to change it to AE in order to create a PayPal account in Nigeria. Not to worry, this is not going to affect your creation of account. Okay, and as you can see, personal account. You can create a personal account with these features, and you can create a business and also partners and developers. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a verified PayPal account in Nigeria. So the best step you are going to use is to go over to business. All right, so you're going to go over to business. You're going to click on the business in order to create a verified PayPal account in Nigeria. Okay, so you're going to come over here and click over to open a business account. Okay, so you're going to click on open a business account. So once you click on open a business account, you're going to be brought to the page where you're going to start setting your information in order to get a verified PayPal account in Nigeria. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, go over to the subscribe button and click on the subscribe button. Turn on post notifications in order to get notified whenever I post similar content showing you step-by-step process on how to create such account. Okay, so once to this page, all right, so now the next step is to fill in your email address. Okay, you're going to fill in your email address, and I'm going to fill in my email address here. Okay, so you're going to fill in your active email address. Okay, all right, then you're going to go over to continue. Okay, so as you can see, this email is already been used for a personal account. Okay, so I think I've used this email. All right, so I'm going to use a different email address for this account. Okay, so you, after putting in your email address, the next step is to put in your password. Okay, so I'm going to put in my password. Okay, so I'm going to put in my password. Put in the password that you know you won't forget so easily. Okay, so you're going to click on continue. So the next step is to tell us about your business. All right, not to worry yourself, we will confirm your information to help you keep your account secured. All right, so in this step you're going to put in your legal first name. I'm going to put mine, and you're going to include your legal last name. All right, you're going to include your legal last name, and as you can see down below, it's showing business details. All right, and not to worry yourself in this part. If you don't have any registered business name, you can use your full name. Okay, you can use your full name as your business detail. So here, business phone number, you're going to change this to Nigeria. Okay, you're going to change this to Nigeria. All right, you're going to change this to Nigeria and include your phone number here. All right, so I'm going to include my phone number 7017. So this is my phone number. Then the next step is to fill in your business address. All right, not to worry yourself, you're going to put in your address where you live in Nigeria, and here where it says Emirate, you can change it to Abu Dubai, Ajman, Dubai, Fujairah. So I'm going to leave mine in Abu Dubai. All right, so once you put this, you're going to go over to the next step. Click on this box and click on continue. All right, so you're going to click on continue. You're going to click on continue. All right, so once you click on continue, you're going to be brought to the page where it says describe your business. Okay, so in this stage I'm going to choose individual or sole proprietorship depending on the type of business you run. All right, so product or service keys, keywords, I'm going to use internet. You can see computer network and information services, so you can even choose anyone depending on the type of business you run. All right, so as you can see, website is completely optional. It's optional for you to include your website. All right, so if you don't have a website, you don't need to worry yourself. Okay, so you're going to click on continue to go over to the next step. So in this step, you are required to put in your date of birth, your month and the year. All right, so here I'm going to put in my date of birth. Okay, you can go ahead and put in your own date of birth. All right, you can go ahead and put in your date of birth. All right, as you can see, nationality United Arab Emirates. You can leave it there because we are using another country's domain. All right, we're using another country's domain, but you can change it right here to Nigeria. Okay, you can change it to Nigeria. Okay, you can see Nigeria here. Identity document, you can put national ID. All right, depending on the type of ID you are using. All right, so you can put password and look for a clear password photograph that you're going to use. All right, so you can put driver's license and put your driver's license number. You can put your national ID and include your national ID number there. All right, click on next. All right, okay, so I'm required to put in my national ID number. All right, I'm required to put in my national ID number. Okay, so I'm going to leave this in United Arab Emirates. No, I'm going to change it back to Nigeria. Sorry. So you're going to put in your national ID number. Okay, that's your national identity card number. All right, so you're going to include it there. Okay, all right, so I'm going to put in my national ID number. All right, so my national ID number, this is my national ID number. Actually, if you haven't gotten your national ID number, you can go over to the nearest location in order to create your national ID number. All right, any of the NIMSI office to get yours. All right, so once you have created this account and you've input your national ID number, you're going to submit your application. All right, so this process, you don't need any other process in order to get started with your PayPal account from Nigeria. Okay, once you submit your details, you're going to be taken to your dashboard in order to start receiving and sending payments from Nigeria. Okay, you can pay and get paid using this PayPal account. The next step is to go over to the notifications to confirm your email address and link and confirm your debit card. So you're going to complete in see details. Once you go over to see details, you're going to see link a credit card. So this process, actually, you're going to go over to any UBA account and create and open a UBA account. Okay, and you're going to be given a card. That's the card you're going to use to link over to this PayPal account in order for you to send and receive money from Nigeria. So if you are still with me in this video, click on the subscribe button and turn on post notifications in order to get notified whenever I create similar videos like this. Okay, and if you are finding any trouble in creating your account, you can go over to the comment section and let me know what are the challenges you are facing, all right, in creating your account. Okay, most of you are going to see that your account is permanently limited. All right, not to worry, I'm going to create a video in a short while to show you how to take off this. So turn on the post notification